residence. My name is Nkombo, Gary Nkombo, and we have some news to share this afternoon. And this news is a carryover from the many stunts that our friends in the PF have been doing on our citizens. And this morning, around 7 o'clock in the morning, I got visitors at my residence here. And the visitors are strange to me, but upon attending to them, they introduced themselves as to who they were. And in our usual traditional way, I welcomed them into the yard. The story really exposes some of the bad things that our brothers in PF, namely Geoffrey Bwayamamba, GBM, and Kachingwe Major, have been doing to our people, and manipulating our people in order to make President Hakainde Hichilema look like a devil. And so here with me this afternoon, I have my sister here, who I met for the first time, and her name is Richness Mananimbwe. She introduced herself to me. One of those that Major Kachingwe and the GBM took to the PF Secretariat about 3 weeks ago, basically to say that they had joined PF, and not only joined PF, and that they had disowned their brother, Mr. Hichilema, because of how negative they thought he was. And they said a lot of things, basically to paint a man black. And so here we present her to give an account. I found that interesting, and I couldn't hold it. I asked the press to come so that they can hear first-hand information as to how far PF can go in trying to demonize an individual who's innocent. And so I present to you Madam Richness Mananimbwe, one of those who was, captured as having joined Patriotic Front on account that Mr. Hichilema was a very unhelpful individual, a brother who never helped, and now she's here to give her own account, her own ordeal, I call it, because she was under captivity for a long, long time. And 9 days of being kept away from your home against your will really amounts to an abduction. So, Rama, Baba Tamba Kandude, Bri Bumagaswangana, Aba GBM, Aba Major Kachingwe, Aba Deriki, and Bubagabu is about bonds and Bumalemba Balemba.
Warumba. Waindavyo sonda vetatwe. Dagatambula ko babuli Wilfred ya mu Hichilema abantu binafona tibambola mutano mbijenga then
nyanja kamji
ndachenda kwamba ulo then ninaenda kwenda kunyamula Wilfred no mufisa pa nyumba na mufisa bea na bwelera ananiza kunabla ndi nipase ko tambizo bwanje amene ufani kupasa Wilfred alifuna nipelekeze kuri PF nikapenda kuva kuja HH ananipoka mama. Yai icho chamelo funa ukamba Wilfred usachite. Yempekeze mpirele nchuke kumumba. Ninaenda kumumba following day ninabwerera. Njoka kumumba kaza Wilfred bamutenga kuliba Deriki Chisola aba GBM aba Major Kachingwe. Ninato mafona tu Wilfred ulikuti. Lati nile ku athawena. Wilfred mwe anabwerera ku nyumba, anabwera na ba GBM na Deriki Chisola. Anamsikia kwa nyumba. Tinankala naye as a family, Wilfred vefuna chita ni ba family. Netu tuende ku PF ni bantu chade. Si blood yatu Wilfred sifuata mavuto yake amenali nayo Eva nalimbikira kwenda ku PF. Last second day wanabwera batitenga kwenda ku secretariat. Dia menemezo uchita bagushishiba kambwili. Nezo kwa naise kutitika pamene yako penemezo kama bagushishiba kambwili. Na bwana kana na tia issue ni ya family. Tipase niko chance tucheze na bana pansi hapa. Ndebe place ukira kwa mwamba na ukira pansi. Nankala ze family teze ine Wilfred Hichilema Simon tenzo kwana lotofu pamene tenzo kamba nkani yakuti family ni issue ni ya family ufe kusatamangire kuti tigulise muntu bululu watu pamutengo uli cheap olo mutengo ni wodula but blood is thicker than water ole ni ndalama zambiri bwanji zevanga tipase but HH is our blood. So tiendi tinkalire pansi kuti timugulise HH peka zo kamba so na pesti naona che kwa bwira guard ati bakuita nani mukati ndiye mweti naendera mukati munje kifika mukati ati why madam wani bamtini simuona kuti wife tinovutika simuona kuti wife genza namangiwa for 5 years mpaka ngombe zake zifo 49 nati niona but i family i issue ya family ipase chance itakambe kunyumba ndiye mweti nabudela kunyumba banateka futi anatibiresa kunyumba ni Derek Chisora. Eti nafika pa nyumba inene nanyamuka kuenda kuliwa kurukuwa UPND wa Sakahiru. Ninawa nawa zankani yonsa ndinala ndi abalendo so abana ni ba family ya kuliwa HH akaindi Hichilema ka president wake. So zankani amene baleta nyangombe tieni titalizile sinza abana bafika tinkani pansa as a family. Nani mwe Sakahiru mutioneleko bakuru sitingafike kwe bali but mkuchira che munjira muri mutinga baonera akaindi Hichilema president wake. Nyenze mu Friday ba Sakahiru banakamba kimkati saka wana mali Saturday nafika no response, Sunday no response futi ninakonga Sakahiru ngani inayo pa kaile ba PF bamani konga pa nyumba. So before bakaliboti chita vili vonse tieni tinkale as a family Sakahiru futi banakamba kimani Monday sibana kimani Monday sibana chita vili vonse Tuesday ninawa tumina phone sinaendeko wala ngini planja uti kionane tu Wilford tumshite convince Vamena organiza vile. No answer Sakahiru sibana nyansi. Wednesday yepe banabwira futi bene Derek Chisola Meja Kachingwe na mena ngoma guys wabili bene sinazile ko mazina. Ndiye mwe banatitengera tukulipwa pamia ya family. Tunatika kukasike panzi as a family. Banatitenga kufika kucha banatipeleka kunyumba ya kuliba kuli ndano kuliba ababli yakamena na wazima bakambwa chishimba kambwili ndiye naenda kuliba chishimba kambwili tinagona kwa one day after kuja banatipeleka kuloji kwa banatipeleka tenzi zibako benzo tikomea tunankala mu 4 days after 4 days kuja banati kukisa futi banati kumakeni kubona venture kumakeni banati sunga 5 days mu day 6 mu day 4 ndiye mwe banakamba tilero kufunika muchose na video mwende pa media simufuna simufuna patilero mizakamba ndiye mwe banati uzavo kamba benzo kutilembera ganambo tipuza manga tipunzira nyimbo mali hesozi ngati tunakambe bwino bezako futi kamba so paka tinavichita pamene banakamba chifukwa choyopa kuti pamene tili pamene bali distiziba olo kutishika vili vonse vakatichita vili vonse kai muzi bachapenga ti suzi bakwe uli wasoba bakushita kinapo bantu ungakambe vili vonse chifukwa choyopa tinakamba bazona kucha kwamba vintu voipa pa mtu wakaili pamene kulibe pamene anatichita Wilfred Zona ni brother wangu anasabesa bazona ngombe vete vili 500 na eva avomera azabwera zakamba pankani ya neneli au kutatashita discuss moja ni musero mwetenzeli simu nyumba yono cheni sero ndizo ni watezo kangu watezo komisa cheku kwenda ku toilet vakuja senzo ziba kwa mine venzo choka then pasande banapwera babwera atilero tifuna kutukupase kwa drama 400 pini kanzai kamba bwani silinga ikuwa nise indrama ya tifuna kupasa maile kufunika mkaende kukoti tifuna HH kutaka saini tifuna kimuvalile mkamulekela kutankale president imwanza kupayani hapa mwaya napa ila bene hati mbuga nasola na mulile hapa HH koloni wa family azaka kupayani isetizi wa mweli enti nabwe sita inena pemba na diwa inipemba unipase ko chance nikambe na group ya mate ili nice tingala ndile ndalama kufuna at least ndalama wazila ndila na imwe muzi bakutima serenza banavomera tinankala as a family. Tinakamba tiya ndalama tisavomere ndalama tikavomera tizazimangateka. Tinabaoza kuti ndalama sitingatenge tizakatenga mailo tikachoka ku court. Ndiye mwe banawe banavomera ati abantu bafuna kusebeza bazoona nice. Pamene maneza nayo kandalama na GBM na bameja Kachingwe. Na Deriki Chisola na grupu yenango sinenzo wizi. Before nikalititiga libosoli bantu wa Mulungu napanga mise muzi bachapenga ti muta niwosokonezeka monga mwene niwosokonezeka pana. Na ku chita sacrifice brother watu kutankale mu problem. Ninga iba alivinango. Before tikaliba kaliboleta 400 banabwera bashita invite benango ma headman bali 15 pamozi benze 28 na bantu chabe. Anaendo baleta na motoka ya government ya PF na heve kubaza tikambani vaso na heve banakamba mwebenzo ofunira kukamba kuti chechi simuntu wabwino noyuma mutima enza natenga anapoka abantu ngombe na bama headman mazine alipa bama headman bene benze banabwera kukamba bintu voipa pali hakainde ichire ma president wake bama headman bene benze banabwera ba face ni ba muwele Shimahumba ba headman Chipembere. Benango ni balukosha ba headman Lukosha. Ba number 3 ni ba Nevers Dai headman Musemuna. Ba number 4 ni ba Godfrey Luchea headman Sicherwa. Ba number 5 ni ba Mizinga headman Mola. Ba number 6 ba Juda Mwanagawa headman Sachabiha. Number 7 Mbaraisi Shimahumba headman Shimafumba. Ba number 8 ba Boniface Muwele headman Muwele. Ba number 9 mba Linyololo Shimafumba Simia headman Simahumba. Ba number 10 ba Joseph Mizinga headman Mizinga. Ba number 12 mba Waleti Mulungu headman Mulungu. Iba number 14 11 Lukosha headman Lukosha. 13 ba Titus Unangombe. Iba 15 mba Lodwero Adunka headman Achava. Aba mama headman sina verenge na watu chabe bamene benze banabwera tinaile mbachezi na kutini sakala bale mazina yao bamene benze banabwera na wewe kunkala against na HH but na wewe bashito tengewa bruto na ba PF kuchokera kuri ba GBM na kuri ba Meja Kachingwe. So ndalama ya pamesti na itenge kugera futi pastor pamene nenze na Perera nakamba titifuna kuti HH akasaini pa Wednesday tikupase ndalama tinaka ache flexible since abantu bankala tight nice maningi apatie ntichemunga tilina weve vivonse veva zaka moti apatia kani hapa ni kutia chitani so hapa ni kuchita tinama ache kukonkeleza vivonse watakamba chitani so tachita chitani ichita kuti batione kuti tili pamozi tipe time yochoka before karibu ofika Wednesday wenza wanapingira kuti Wednesday sikuwa kutaka saini and for sure pa Sunday kuma 14 hours kunabya baticho satukufika tikakoma ni 14 hours 14 hours pe ikalipo kwa na pamande ni 8 hours na bwana tawa na tabira kwatu na tabira kupendi ndiye kwatu ndiye kuli family kuli blood yanga ndiye pamene nipe ya kaya ziko muzani wana bwanji muni kululu kileka otherwise muzi watabe mtu anashiti wa kidnap ngati kuli mtu anagwiriwa kudala wapa mpeleka kutu kamene saziba aliyesa angakabe chili chonso no safu no lafuna zakamba pesa kuti asipulumuse so mutigwirire nkoni bantu ba Mulungu otherwise bebe nachitika sikufuna kwatu anachitotipatikiza tikambani so olobana beze banabwera mu mboyo bene chilema bashito bagwira kuno bakonka kukasempa banayesa kutawa banapikisha mungani kanyama paka kugwira kwenda kwa mepenzeli yeka bene nipelela
There you have it. You've heard the account from Our Lady, and therefore it is an indictment to Mr. Geoffrey Waliamamba and also Major Kachingwe, our erstwhile friends who were within our UPND, that they have agreed, and now we are being told that also Dr. Kambwili kept them at their house for one night. I think that it's an indictment to them that let them continue doing this dirty job, and the posterity is going to judge them the best way they will be judged. In as far as we are concerned, we think that the Zambian people are wise enough to understand that PF will stop at no place in order to try and prohibit Mr. Hichilema to govern this country. From her account, you can tell very easily that even on Wednesday, when we went to the ECZ, although we heard from the ECZ that our documents had faults, it is now plain to see from what she says that the main aim was to stop Mr. Hichilema from filing in his nomination, to validate his bid for being president of this country. It didn't start there. The Hatembo story is also another attempt. So you can see that PF, in their usual clumsy way, will do anything that is at their disposal to try and stop one man. In as far as we are concerned, we want to put it clearly here now that there is no stopping us now. We are on the move. No law, no war, no man is going to stop Mr. Hichilema to appear on that ballot on the 12th of August this year. And therefore it goes to the Zambians themselves to add 1 and 1 and see what answer they will get, and to show that they are in panic mode and they can spend money, a lot of money, on useless, activities such as bribing people, ransoming people, and so on and so forth. And I'm now making an appeal to our voters that keep your eyes and ears wide open, because PF will come with all sorts of lies. They want to hold people captive, an innocent mother like this, who just rocked up at my place at 7 o'clock in the morning and said, I'm burdened, I've got a problem. I live very far. This is very, very far. It's not close to city. And so I felt sorry for her. And I'm sure that at the point when, the Zambians are going to pick this information, and Mr. Hichilema himself, who is the victim of all these shenanigans, the Zambians will make a judgment that is going to be giving a dividend to this country, that is going to add to this country rather than subtract to this country. Because enough is enough. Enough is enough. I mean, PF cannot go on like this. GBM, my dear brother, and you, Major, find more innovative ways of trying to galvanize votes for your party. But even biblically, in the 10 Commandments, we are taught that you cannot accuse somebody falsely. This is clear now that PF have hired, they've got hired guns in the name of those that have been mentioned by Our Lady here. But just to tell you that you will not achieve what you want. And we are going to deal with you, in as far as we are concerned, in the best possible way by exposing you in this manner. We will continue to expose you for everything that you are. You've run out of ideas. At this point in time, we have taken off. We have moved from this point. We are moving target. And you will not manage to catch us. As far as we are concerned, only the Zambian people are going to stop us from governing this country. As far as we are concerned, we are on the menu for them to take. And so, you have heard it for yourselves. I want to thank you for coming through to pick this item of news, which I think is worthy for every Zambian to see and make a judgment of their own. This is very bad. Now you can see the lady is a fugitive in her own country. She's a fugitive. She's now going to have to look at the corners of her eyes every time she's moving, because people want to hold others captive and at ransom in order for them to say things that they do not even know about, things that they cannot stand for. And so let me thank you, Twalumba Mazuko for coming through. I think that even the heavens are happy with you today, because I'm sure you will also be a free person in your mind than you have been in the last fortnight or 2 weeks. Madila Mononalama. In as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to make sure that I communicate this to the president to ensure that he also finds it inside his heart, which I know is big, to forgive Wilfred, to forgive you, to forgive those headmen, to forgive everybody who's throwing spears at him. Because all he's done, I mean, what has he done wrong apart from just offering himself to serve? Nothing. All right? So thank you very much.